Monkey and his friends play in the trees. Monkey still wears pull-ups when he poos and pees. Monkey gets new underwear. Monkey gets his own potty chair. Monkey has a special watch too. It reminds him when to pee and poo. Monkey throws his pull-ups away and uses his potty the very same day. Monkey see, monkey do. Monkey pee, monkey poo. In his potty monkey goes. Then washes his hands, but not his toes. He shows his potty chart for all to see. Now he is a big monkey. You can be a big kid too. Good job, monkey. Good job, you.
If you like Potty Monkey, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.